Taylor.
Hello. So we are fishing just outside of, I believe it's called Masterton.
Yep.
We are staying in Wellington, so about another hour and a half drive. Same drive through that mountain again this morning, which is a little sus with the rain, but we made it. And we don't really know how to say the river, but
yeah, it's like R-U-A-M and a bunch of other letters. Looks pretty good. It's actually not too dirty right now. Yeah, I don't know.
We're kind of going into this one blind, so we're hoping to catch a fish.
Yeah, one fish will be a good day.
Yep.
All right. We got a fish on. Fish on. Taylor took a break because I think the rain was a little too much. She went to go and eat, and we hook a fish immediately. I don't want to jinx myself, but this is supposed to be browns only pretty much in here, so it should be first brown in New Zealand. Let's see if we can get them to the net. It's a little tough because I don't have Taylor to net it for me. Nice deep pool though. It looks like a brown. Looks like a good fish too. I don't know if you can tell, but it is pouring out here. Oh, this is a good fish. That's a really good fish. I think we hooked him on the pink egg. I'm gonna try and get him pinned in the shallow water, and then maybe we can go over to him and net him. Oh my gosh, it's another rainbow. Who we got him? Alright, we got the rainbow in the net. Probably can't take my phone out to it's a beautiful, nice rainbow. Probably can't take my phone out to get a picture, so here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and set up my GoPro on the beach. Sorry for everyone watching this video. I'm trying to set this thing up. Hopefully you can see me. Totally guess if this works or not. Beautiful fish. Pretty sweet. I'm off good and strong.
I am currently not in the river with Jordan because I was eating lunch, but he said that he caught and landed one fish and hooked another, but his GoPro died, womp womp, so he can't record. I think it's because it's too wet outside that it just turned off. Because my rain jacket, my other jacket, everything is soaked. So I'm just kind of watching him from the bank with an umbrella right now.